friends, I'm sure you're doing fine. Friends, thank you very much for being with us in Dhritimann's journey. Friends, what's the inner spark that we are going to ignite today to catalyze our curiosity and level up self-mastery? What if I say 3 minutes with nature rewires our brain? Step out, friends. Just imagine. Step out. Trees, birds, leaves, clouds. These 3 minutes in this blissful world, in these 3 minutes, the brain does to you which no productivity hack, no meditation app, no cold plunge can ever master. These 3 minutes with nature, with these trees, the clouds, the waves, resets our brain. That's the magic of nature. Researchers at McGill University pulled together 100 brain imaging studies, and what they found is wild. They found nature is not only nice and beautiful, nature is neurological medicine. What is it that, friends, this study found while we are in nature? First, the amygdala, the ancient alarm system in our brain circuit. Remember, in our video on fear, we discussed this. The amygdala brain circuit. It always screams threat, fills us with fear. While being in nature, amygdala powers down. It's deactivated. So, whether we are on fight or flight mode, that goes. Our nervous system excels. Second, observe the beautiful fractals of nature. The leaves, the trees, the waves. They are effortless to process. Our cortex loves them, as against the dense, fast-paced urban and digital ecosystem, which disrupts our mind. It quietens us. Third, we all find, friends, that our brain is in a loop, in a repetitive mode. This loop keeps replaying yesterday's arguments or tomorrow's deadlines. But while in nature, it calms down. Third, friends, our task-based attention keeps us distracted, stressed, anxious. While being nature, we find that we do not push ourselves to concentrate, to focus. The nature does it on our behalf. Our attention becomes restorative. That's, friend, is the magic of being with nature. Just 3 minutes. Longer, it is better. But in these 3 minutes, it's all ease. We can let it pass, let it go. The amygdala takes a backseat. The fractals, they enhance our visual perception. minds calm. And the clutter in our mind dissipates like wild mist. So friends, that's the magic of being with nature. We are all cobwebbed with daily routines, morning rituals, milestones. What if, friends, we are experiencing a deep life, a deeper mind in which we don't push, but we receive. So friends, step out, be with nature and experience this. You will find your inner spark giving you calm, peace, quietude, and you will be fearless. Thank you, friends. Hope you will like this discussion. We'll come out with more such topics in future. Stay well, friends. Take care. Bye-bye.